You want to become a GRC analyst? Not a problem. I will not tell you to watch videos or to take courses. I will tell you how can you practice the GRC activity realistically. Hello, my name is Mohammed Atif. I'm the founder of InfoSec for TC. And today I would like to introduce to you our InfoSec for TC initiative to qualify 100 GRC analysts for free. The problem with the GRC analyst skills is the real data. I mean the skills to know how to implement governance, writing policy, building KPI framework, conducting risk assessment, building risk management methodology, compliance and audit. The main problem is not the knowledge. The knowledge is everywhere. Just type GRC on YouTube and see tons of videos. The problem is, where can I find the real data to practice on it? And how can I get someone to evaluate what I'm doing? If I can solve this issue, I think this could be a very easy way to gain the GRC skills needed for the job market. So at InfoSec, we created a GRC analyst practical project platform. And the good thing about this platform, it has real data. So at the beginning of the platform, you will find how you should create your assignment, how you should submit your assignment. But scrolling down, you can see here a real business, a real company. You are a GRC analyst for a specific entity who comply with specific regulation and standard. And you have a very clear responsibility. You need to implement governance. You need to build a risk assessment for them. You need to create the information security policy, procedures. So they will give you the full scenario, including the organizational architecture, how many departments, who's in charge, do we have a CISO in place or not? You will have a full vision about the organization. And then you will start doing the different assignments, starting from creating the governance framework. Of course, you will be provided with data to practice on it. So if I'm going to create an information security policy, I need to know the architecture, who will approve the policy, what kind of policy do I need to have? If I have a full structure organization where I need to have an HR policy, procurement policy, I will do that. But if this is a startup with only 5 or 6 employees, things will change. You will conduct a risk assessment. You will have a real list of assets, real surveys done with the employees. So you can conduct a risk assessment. And the good thing here is that whatever you will do, you will upload it here and it will be evaluated and you will get a score on it, which means that it's like you practicing on a real company. You have activity related to KPIs, risk, governance framework, audit, implementing standard and compliance. It's a full GRC analyst with a lot of assignments, Q&A, interview question. But the main benefit here, first, is fully practical. And you have data to practice on it and someone will evaluate your work and you will end up knowing exactly what are you doing right and what need to be changed. Second, it's free, it's completely free. We are providing 100 free access to this platform lifetime. It's not like one-time free, lifetime access for all those projects for GRC. Just go to school.infosec4tc.com and search for the GRC Analyst Initiative and enroll in the program because it's going to be free for only 100%. All the best.